Oh, the things you find while decluttering. Bought nearly 20 years ago for just one high school assignment, this pack of oil pastels has remained unused until now. The subject of this video is a spaniel drawn completely with oil pastels. My first attempt to draw a seascape failed when I realized oil pastels don't blend well on this thick, textured paper. So after months, I decided to give it another try, but this time on this Woodbridge sketch paper. Its thin paper is perfect for pencil, pen, and even oil pastels. To cover the surface, I'm lightly coloring this traced outline of a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel with whatever colors I see in my reference photo. For the second and subsequent layers, I'm going to add more pressure to the strokes for some tonal value. See, it's already looking three-dimensional. Adding definition is easier while the oil pastels are new and have sharp edges. Once they lose their sharpness, it's best to work on a larger scale. Since this is a very limited palette of colors, I will have to mix black and burnt sienna to create a dark brown. I was curious to see how well a Q-tip would work for blending colors. It's rough but not bad. This blending technique is suited for areas that need to be faded into the background. It's also an easy way to soften harsh strokes. Stacking one color over the other will give you a buttery consistency and makes blending very easy, especially on the right kind of paper. Now I'm using this peach to lighten and mute the boldness of the orange. Having a limited palette of colors helps you make the most of what you have. It also creates color harmony in your work. To highlight the nose and eyelids, I'm using this sky blue. Once you get the hang of using these oil pastels, experiment with swirly and squiggly patterns to create the illusion of fur. Drawing any subject, even portraits, with oil pastels is a breeze when the paper works in your favor. So don't fret if at first you don't succeed. Try again. I hope you enjoyed this oil pastel demo. Thanks for watching!